So guys, let's take a look at Euro JPY for this week. Now make sure you actually click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments if you've not. Make sure you also subscribe if you've not subscribed, by the way. So we would want to see what will happen this week on Euro JPY. Before we go ahead and start, now those of you that are actually making your complaints that you can't really access the Patreon channel, you can now do that. You will get the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. So once you go to the comment section, you see the link to the Patreon channel. Subscribe there. We put out high probability trade. Remember, we have trade that we have, chances of winning. Trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. That is exactly what we'll be putting on that channel. You can also give it a try for a month. If after a month you are not comfortable with the service, then you can cancel your subscription. Remember, canceling of subscription is very much allowed if after a month. So the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. Now back to this our analysis on EURJPY. You clearly can see something, right? So what is market doing? Market is literally range. We all know what to do. Trade what you see and not what you think, right? This is exactly what market is doing. That is exactly what we'll be doing. So let's see if EURJPY will drop a little bit, then give us some more bullish move to come to hit this resistance level. Then we can now look to sell straight down to our support level. Then we can now look to buy straight to our resistance level. Then we would want to see this market continue to range. I mean, this range market move has been going on since early September. You can see it 1st of September. This is around this level here. Since we have been ranging within this level, so there's every possibility we can continue the range. But if there's going to be a breakout, personally, I believe there will be a breakout to the upside. So I am still expecting it. That is exactly what I think, right? So I will be expecting, or what I'm thinking is that EURJPY will definitely break out, and once it break out, it should break out to the upside. That is, should break out of the resistance level. Then we cannot continue the movement to the upside. If not, we should see it continue to range within this level. Like they always say, trade what you see and not what you think. So what you are thinking is that there could be a breakout to the resistance level, but we would only trade it if we see it and we get a confirmation that there is a breakout. If not, then you have no other option than to continue to range within this level on EURJPY. So more of this will be covered on the Patreon channel. If you are interested, all you just have to do is click on the subscribe button, or you click on the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section, subscribe, and you get an update from us on that channel.